Dyma rhai o'r nyrsys am bydwragedd o bob gwr o Gymru.
I am a community children's nurse, paediatric palliative care nurse, and support children, young people and their families at home and in hospital, ensuring their voice is heard.
As a student nurse, I am dedicated to providing holistic and person-centred care.
I am an advanced nurse practitioner, autonomously delivering holistic care management in general practice medicine.
I'm a midwife. I work on the midwifery-led unit. Part of my role is to promote normality in childbirth while keeping women and their babies safe and well. I'm passionate about supporting women in their choices.
I'm a healthcare support worker training to be a mental health nurse. I work collaboratively with service users, enabling them to understand the importance of their well-being. I am passionate about ensuring that mental health is no longer seen as a separate component.
I am a blood collections nurse who is committed to ensure that you have the blood you need to save patients' lives.
ANP, that's me. Advanced, academic and professional development as priority. Nurse, nurturing and mentoring others to ensure excellence. Practitioner, positivity and pride in my role to flourish in practice.
I'm a children's community nurse. It's because of nurses like me that children with complex health needs spend less time in hospital and more time at home with their families.
I'm a student learning disability nurse who advocates for individuals with a learning disability across the lifespan.
I am an emergency planning nurse. I plan, prepare and train nurses to respond and deliver the highest standards of care in both the hospital and pre-hospital setting in an unexpected event.
As a graduate nurse working in intensive care, I am passionate that I have and will continue to make a difference. I'm excited about my preceptorship journey. I'm proud of being a nurse.
I am a registered nurse, health visitor and looked after children's nurse. I support vulnerable young people to be as healthy as possible and have their voice heard.
I am a school nurse who supports and educates children and young people, empowering them to lead a healthy life.
I was a student nurse and Kath was my gynecology mentor. And we've continued to learn ever since and become best of friends.
Yay! I am a student learning disability nurse and I can make the difference between a person feeling alone and devalued to them feeling heard and empowered.
I'm a midwife who loves watching a couple become a family.
I'm a district nurse committed to delivering quality care to patients in their own home, helping them maintain their independence by managing their own health needs and limiting the effects that illnesses has on their lives.
I'm a nurse. I telephone triage patients for the Welsh Ambulance Service, working within a team to ensure the patient gets the right help at the right time. I have been a registered nurse for over 30 years and this is my most challenging role to date.
I'm a mental health support worker and a student nurse through the Flexi route. I'm fully committed to the future of the NHS.
I'm an emergency nurse practitioner. I provide quality assessment, diagnosis and care for patients with minor injuries and I am lucky to be part of the All Wales team.
I'm a Macmillan Advanced Nurse Practitioner in Acute Oncology. As a team, we support people living with cancer, admitted acutely unwell, with treatment or disease complications, or receiving a new cancer diagnosis.
Acute oncology is an evolving speciality which aims to empower frontline staff,
giving them the skills and knowledge to manage these patients when we're not around.